So guys, today let's review the Mi3C router in our style. But before that, let's see a small unboxing of the device. So all the Best Buy links are in the description below so that you can buy it easily from there. Always guys, always watch for the proper seal on the box and always try to open electronic items in front of the camera. So guys, the packaging is pretty awesome and here we have got the main product. So guys, you'll see 4 antenna on this device. So 2 antenna is dedicated as a transmitter and the other 2 is for the receiver. So guys, this device has something special. You wanna know? This device has 64 MB of RAM, which helps the device to handle 64 devices. Yes guys, 64 devices at a time. In other words, you can connect 64 devices at a time with 24 proper stable connections. The maximum operating distance of this device is approx 80 meters in a open space. Listen carefully guys, in a open space. So guys, this device supports up to 300 Mbps of connection with 802.11n. So to control this device, we also have Mi Wi-Fi dedicated app. On the store we'll talk about in a moment. At the back side we have a WAN port, 2 LAN ports and a force reset button. So these antenna can move in these 3 different ways, as you can see. At bottom we have so many holes, so to keep the device cool, or you can say to eject the heat. Further in the box we have some manual. You can refer if you are facing any problem with this device. Then we have a QR code on the paper. Then we have a QR code by which you can download the Mi Wi-Fi, dedicated Mi Wi-Fi app directly from the Play Store or iOS App Store. Then we have the power cord. So this is a simple 2-pin power adapter. The cable quality is not that great. Yes, the cable quality is not that great, but it is good as considering the price of this device. And yes, the price of this device in India is 999 rupees, or you can say approx 1000 rupees. Now let's see the beast up and let's see its functioning. Plug the power cord in the port given on the back side of the device. Then plug the Ethernet cable coming from your ISP internet service provider in this blue port which says WAN port. After powering on the device, you'll see the orange light first. Then you have to set up the device. Then you'll see a blue light blinking on the front of the device. Let me show you. So this is the orange light stable. So you have to set the device up. Then this light will be changed into blue color. So guys, you can see this code or download the Mi Wi-Fi app directly from the Play Store. You can scan this code and download the Mi Wi-Fi app. This device easily supports the famous internet provider as Airtel, Hathway, Exitel, ACT, FiberNet, GTPL, etc. in India at least. The mobile app has many functionality, as you can blacklist some website to limit on your child. You can enable firewall to protect your device from hacking. So guys, this device is pretty thin as compared with other devices, and the cord of the power adapter is not that great as I have said, but for the price it is pretty good. Now let's set up the device. So you can download the Mi Wi-Fi app from the Play Store, but I recommend you to set it up using the browser, as you can face some problem while setting it up using the mobile app, as this mobile app has many bugs in it. So Xiaomi, you have to clear those bugs. So open any browser. You can open the default Mi browser, or you can open the Chrome browser in your phone or in your laptop. So no issues there. So after opening a browser, just type into the search bar mi.com, or you can either download the Mi Wi-Fi app as I have shown in the video. So you can download this app and set the Wi-Fi, but before setting the Wi-Fi, make sure your phone is connected to the same Mi Wi-Fi router. So I prefer you to open any browser and do whatever I am doing in this video. So open any browser, type mi.com, you will be prompted to this page. Then you'll see this page, and then click on the agree option. As you can see, click on the agree option, then enter the username and password given by your internet service provider. So if you don't know the username and password, you can call your ISP and tell them that I have to set this Mi Wi-Fi router, and they will definitely help you. But in general, both the username and password is admin. Then you have to set the admin page password, from where you can control the whole device. So set the strong password, as you can set to set the strong password, so that no one can easily interrupt the Wi-Fi admin page or hack the Wi-Fi admin page basically. Or you can set the same password as you have set for your router. Now you are done. Now wait for 15 to 20 seconds at least to enable the active internet connection. This is automatic process, you don't have to do anything, just sit back and relax.